Bilvamangala came to Vrindavan. He was blind. He had no eyes. He had lost his eyes. And then he was singing so many beautiful songs and poems to glorify Krishna. And then Krishna used to come and bring him some prasad, some Krishna prasad every day, milk, and he would drink that milk. And then Krishna would play, because Bilvamangala had a stick, a walking stick, like the blind man has a stick. So Krishna would come sometimes, and Bilvamangala kept his stick right near him. So when he was sitting anywhere he could get up. He was doing bhajan down by Brahmakund. Brahmakund, there's another Brahmakund down by Rangaji. So he did bhajan on that side, near Nidhiban. Probably it was Nidhiban area for a long time. So Krishna would come and take his stick. He'd say, "Hey, old man, I took your stick. Now you can't walk." And he'd say, "Oh, where's my stick? Oh, a little boy. Oh," and because usually sadhus, they call all little boys. If they see some little boy, in Braj, they say Gopal. Or they say, and they see some little girl, they say, "Oh, Lali." They say, "Oh, Lali, Lali," like this. Because they're like Udipans for Gopali and Gopal. Gopali is Radharani baby. And Raval, she's Gopali. And it's also a name, and you can see as one Sakhi is named Gopali. And then Krishna is Gopal. So they call, although it's the Bhav. It's the Bhav Dristi. "Oh, Gopal." That's very nice. So Bilvamangala says, "Oh, Gopal." He can't see, he's blind. "I can't walk. If I don't have my stick, I can't walk." He said, "No, here's your stick, see?" And he touches his hand. "Here's your stick." And then what do you call it? Bilvamangala grabs the stick. Then Krishna says, "Give me the stick." He said, "No, you give me." And he said, "No, it's mine. No, it's mine." And Gopal would play with his devotee like this. And then Bilvamangala was holding onto the stick. And then he reached out his hand. I said, "I'm going to touch you." And then Krishna pushed his hand away. Gopal pushed his hand away, and he ran away. And he put the stick back, and he ran away. And then he said, "No, old man, you can never catch me. You can never catch me." And then Bilvamangala said, which I repeated many times because I like it so much. It's very nice, because it feels like that sometimes. So then Krishna says, "You can never catch me. You can't see me. How can you catch me?" And he said, "No." And then Bilvamangala replied, he said, "No, you can run away. You can run away from my hands, and you can go far away from my sight, but you'll never, ever leave my heart. You can never run away from my heart. And I'm always seeing you in my heart." And that's why he was able to write this Krishna Karnamrita.